Are you sick and tired of that horrible sinking feeling every time you get your electricity bill? Do you wish there was a way of being more green and saving your wallet from begging for mercy? Luckily for you, we can do both. Have you thought about battery storage installation? Good news. As from 1st February, the government will be making all battery storage installations VAT-free. With the big money savings, there has never been a better time to consider installing a backup power solution. We are your go-to experts for all your battery installation needs. We have vast experience dealing with different systems, and we are approved installers for Givenergy and Fox ESS. With our system, you can automate your system to charge the batteries at the cheapest rates available. This is guaranteed to deliver amazing cost savings. With us, experience the full benefits of power storage solutions can offer you. On top of shielding you from power disruptions, you also can significantly decrease your carbon footprint. Our installation services guarantee maximum storage efficiency. What's more, we will help you choose the most ideal solution for your needs. Just give us your current electricity usage and we'll create a detailed report for your home. Plus, with a minimum life expectancy of 15 years for systems like the Fox ESS, your return on investment is guaranteed. See how much money you can save. Let's say you use 10,000 kilowatt-hour per year. This is 27 kilowatt-hour a day. Let's remove the cost of standing charge for the moment, as we will have to pay that regardless. 10,000 kilowatt-hour a year, 30.6p per kilowatt-hour, £3,060. 10,000 kilowatt-hour a year, 7.5p per kilowatt-hour, £750. Overnight charge option at just 7.5p per kilowatt-hour. Annual savings of £2,310. Never worry about another power cut. We can keep your lights on even through the darkest of days. Let us help you be more eco-friendly and save money on your electricity bills. Call Starks Electrical on 01425460419 for your free consultation.